Creating KOC lookbook videos with AI may sound simple, but doing everything manually can take a lot of time. You need to prepare a KOC reference image, product images, choose the right video format, create a storyboard, and produce a video that matches the fashion style you want. That is why today, I will show you how to use the KOC Creative Studio Auto app to create KOC lookbook videos faster with AI. First, go to promptauto.io. Then search for the Auto app called KOC Creative Studio. Next, copy the app link and open it in Flow. In the Flow interface, paste the link into the search bar. Then click Use in a project and open the app. When you enter the welcome page, click Get Started. The app will take you to the video creation interface. Here, choose the video format that matches the platform you want to post on. In the video creation area, upload your KOC reference image and product image. The KOC reference image can be your own image, or a style reference from Pinterest. After adding the KOC image, product image, video format, video style, and creator settings, click Generate Storyboard. Wait a few seconds while AI creates the storyboard for your video. Once the storyboard is ready, click Produce Video. The AI will process everything and generate the final KOC lookbook video for you. After a few minutes, you will receive a video that matches your product and selected style. Once the video is ready, download it to your device. Finally, you can edit it further in CapCut or any video editing software. Add music, text, cuts, or transitions to make the video more engaging before posting it on TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, or other sales platforms. With KOC Creative Studio, you can create KOC lookbook videos without writing a storyboard from scratch, without creating complex prompts, and without manually editing every scene. This helps you create more videos, test more products, build your content channel faster, and scale your fashion content more easily. If you are doing fashion affiliate marketing, selling products online, or creating KOC videos with AI, KOC Creative Studio is an auto app worth trying. Follow for more auto apps, workflows, and AI tools.